Hi everyone, this is a jump which is a mat based game in which we have 5 laps starting from lap 1. This is a number based zigzag pattern in which you have to jump from number 1 to number 2 to number 3 and so on. You have to complete this particular pattern from number 1 till number 12. Moving on to lap 2, this is a hopscotch pattern in which you have to complete this particular pattern using the images of hand and foot as shown. Coming to now lap 3 and lap 4. In lap 3, you have to complete A to Z, the alphabets, starting from the start option. In this particular lap, you have a rest option. In between completing the 8BCD, you can take a rest of 20 seconds only once. After the rest option, you will start from the alphabet from which you have left. Moving on to lap 4, in this lap the opponent player will decide 2 colors on which you have to jump. In this lap also you will start from the start option and will jump on the colors as per decided. In this lap you cannot use the rest option. Moving on to lap 5. In this lap you will start from the start option and complete all the activities as shown below. Now here comes a twist in the game which is a spinner. Before every lap you have to use this spinner. If you fall on left foot jump, you have to complete this lap using your left foot only. Similarly, right foot jump. Now if you fall on frog jump, you have to jump like a frog to complete that particular lap. If you fall on left foot jump 2x, this means you have 2 chances to complete that particular lap but using your left foot only. Same case applies with the right foot jump 2x. Now comes the both foot jump. This is a simple jump in which you can use both your legs to complete that particular lap. Then comes cross option. In this case, you miss your turn and the turn transfers to the opponent player. Last is the opponent. In this case, the opponent player will decide the type of jump with which you will complete your lap. Now lap 1, 3, 4 and 5 requires this spinner and lap 2, which is a hopscotch, does not require this spinner. Now we are showing you the example of left foot jump while completing the lap 1. You will be considered as out if you lose your balance or you take support or you do not fall on the encircled number like this. This is how you will complete the hopscotch lap. In this lap also, you will be considered as out if you lose your balance or you take support. You have to fall on all 3 blocks together like this. The similar rules of jumping follows on lap 3, 4 and 5. To win this game, a player has to complete all the 5 laps. The player completing all the 5 laps first will be the winner, but you cannot go from lap 1 to 2 and so on without completing the previous lap.